I'm going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals stuck on loading screen. This is really easy to do. First thing you're going to need to do is you simply want to go over to this option right here. Now, when you're in the PC settings like I am, so here, just my files option, you're going to actually make sure you have a ton of data, because if you don't have any data CPU memory on your computer, you cannot even run it. You can maybe download it barely, but you do need some extra. So I just recommend having at least a quarter of your memory, as I do here, just openly available that is not taken up. So just delete a ton of stuff if you do not need it, so you can actually successfully run this game. And once you've done this, you want to pop up this panel like so, where you can actually see your computer settings. Now, when you bring your computer settings up, you type in firewall, and you actually make sure your firewall is disabled, turned off, because if it is on, it will think your computer is fishy and actually block a ton of applications that it thinks may not be authorized or safe for your computer to run. So you just turn off your firewall. I've even brought up this VPN right here. Now, there's a bunch of VPNs that do not cost any dollar bills. So if we type in VPN, just any VPN on the internet will allow you to run the game, because some actually countries can run it a lot smoother than others. Some countries do not even allow you to run the game. So yeah, just get a VPN. Some don't cost dollars.